If your phone operating system seems to be slow and you want to increase the speed of your phone, then this video is for you. Quickly, I'm going to show you two methods. Method number one, you tap on settings. Then you head over to additional settings. Then tap on developers option. Keep on scrolling until you can find Windows animation skill. Animation skills, all of them. We have about 3 of them that we're going to change. So you see drawing, under drawing here, under this drawing, then you scroll down, you see Windows animation skill. Here, put it at 0.5x if you wish. Yes, this is faster than this. Okay, if you want your animation to be a bit smoother, then you can decide to leave it here, 0.5x. Then transition animation scale, 0.5x. And then animation duration scale, 0.5x. Are you here? So watch your phone now. Can you see this? Can you see it now? Now let me go back. Additional settings, developers option, then Windows animation scale. Windows animation scale. Now let's leave it at, some of you, your own is at 2x. At 2x. At 2x. Now observe the phone. Can you see? It is very slow. Can you see? It is very slow. But it might look a bit smoother. Okay? So if you want a very buttery animation, then you can decide to leave it at 1.5 or at 1. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave mine at 0.5x. So I will tap on this, 0.5x, 0.5x, 0.5x. If you're able to achieve it, you should be able to see an increase in your phone speed. Finally, you can still do this, but your phone will look slower. Yes, it can still look slower. Now, this is what you do. Tap on settings. Head over to display and brightness. Okay, then you see refresh rate. Make sure it is at 120. If you put it at 60, you observe it will be a bit laggy. Can you see it? It's a bit laggy. It's not that smooth. So if you want it to be smoother, you leave it at 120 Hertz. Is that clear? Is that clear? So that is that for this. With this, your phone speed should have been increased drastically. Please subscribe for more tutorial videos like this from us. Thank you.